Trevor gripped tight as the map began to glow and whisked him away to a time quite long ago. He found himself on a dock in a bustling port city. He didn't really just travel in time, did he? With a grin on his face, Trevor was ready to see more, for this magic map soon brought him to the shore. Tucked hidden in the trees, he found a small boat, and luckily for him, this vessel still did float.
Want to hear how this story ends? Hear the whole book on our YouTube page, Nancy Nelson's Nursery.